Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about Figma and on how to design this simple web page or landing page on Figma. Very simple. The most something I would say is a little bit technical part is this part where I use layer mask. I've logged it. This is it. I use layer mask to insert the image, then position it as I like. I'm going to show you everything in this video, so let's dive right in. First, I would like to create another frame. Create a frame. Dimension of the frame I used is 1280 by 800. Good. The next thing is to play around with the layer mask and image. So the first thing to do is create a rectangle. I'm going to create a rectangle, usually something that is taller than the frame. Then I will turn it to an angle of 45 degrees or let me do it this way. Then I'll import the image. I downloaded the image from Pixels. Somewhere that I found the image, but I've downloaded it. I think this is it. I'll take it into my Figma page, then insert it. The image is very big, very big, but I'm holding down the shift key to just resize it. Then I place it on top of the rectangle. You can see that it's on top of the rectangle. Then I hold down the shift key to highlight both or select both. Then I'll click on the use as mask here. Click on that. The image will be put inside the rectangle. If you notice, the rectangle was let me undo that so that you'll be able to see it. The rectangle is below the image. You have to make sure that the rectangle is below the image, otherwise you are going to get a different mask. So I will do that. Select both, then click on the layer mask. So now I'm going to zoom in, then double click on the image for me to be able to resize it inside the rectangle. Click on that. So I see. I think I like this, but at the same time I believe the mask is, I want to adjust the mask. Ctrl Z. I want to adjust it to another part of the screen, something that is smaller. I believe you get the idea. You can modify the image by double clicking on it, positioning it or adjusting it to whatever you want. Now, and from there I'll continue with the design. I believe you get the idea. So now I'll use this color as a background. I like the color so much because it's dark and strong. So I think this is it. Or you can just use the pencil to select the color. Next, let me create the site name or site logo. It's just a simple text and logo. Very simple to do it. Just I use flash style. The reason why you are not, the text is typing within the mask, so you only see what is on the face of the mask. So I'm going to take the text out of the mask now, not outside of the frame. Now let me change the size. I think I use medium, and I think I use larger. Use 36 or so. So the color is white, and I shrink it a little bit. Yeah. The next thing is this hamburger menu.